Hi there, it's Henry here from EWI Store, coming at you today to talk a little bit about wood fibre insulation. So I've got here a wood fibre board used in various insulation aspects and areas. So this is a external wall insulation board, this one here, but other ranges are roofing boards or flooring insulation, that sort of thing. So wood fibre, we are loving this at the moment. Manufactured from the offcuts of sustainable kind of local sawmills, from sustainable forestries, that sort of thing. So it's a really good process. And the impressive thing is the carbon offset of this is about 1.6 carbon tons per 1 ton of material, which is really fantastic. It's really good. So this here, yeah, the external wall insulation board. There are other boards as well for in the roof and behind cladding, this sort of thing. Yeah, it's part of our Nature Plus system, which basically gives it a thumbs up for being very good for the environment. It's 100% kind of compostable and reusable, so it has great benefits going forward in the future as well. If it was your property was to ever be kind of knocked down and rebuilt, that insulation there can be reused, recycled, or obviously just compostable or composted. So along with other benefits, it is vapor permeable. So if you're applying it onto older properties that need to breathe, it will let that moisture through. So when it's used with the EWI 225 premium base coat and silicone top coats, that is a fully breathable system, which obviously keeps your property in good nick. Other than that, it's just a really good all-round product, really. The insulation qualities are there. You need about 120 millimeters to hit the U value of 0.3, which is for retrofitting walls, and then about 200 millimeters to hit 0.18, which is for kind of new build walls. So there you have it, the external wall insulation wood fibre board, along with the other aspects as well, the roofing board and the flooring board, that sort of thing. So wood fibre insulation gets a thumbs up from us. Cheers.